This YESWELDER auto darkening welding helmet uses a specialized blue light filtering lens to keep your eyes more comfortable and protected during long welding sessions. The wide shade range and support for multiple welding modes make it versatile enough for tasks from delicate TIG work to heavier MIG and stick projects plus grinding. Its true color optics and clear viewing window give a natural, detailed view of the puddle and workpiece, which really helps with accuracy and reduces eye fatigue. Fast-reacting arc sensors shift the lens from light to dark in a tiny fraction of a second, and the adjustable sensitivity and delay let you dial in the behavior for different jobs. A combination of solar assistance and a replaceable lithium battery extends runtime while cutting down on battery changes and wasted power. The helmet feels well-balanced with comfortable headgear, meets major eye and face protection standards, and is straightforward enough that newer welders can get up to speed quickly.